Hey there, it's Norm here. Yeah, just in my garage here getting ready to do a little snow removal. Had a blizzard since Friday. Not so bad where I'm living at. It's just probably a half hour south of here or more. They really got whopped with some snow here. And this is my driveway if I can get to it here. I don't know if they'll do it. So that's my driveway, my neighbors. So I am getting ready to snow removal this driveway. And the wind has blown over my garbage cans. Have to take care of that. Yes. Lovely snow. Lovely snow. Gotta remove it. Goodbye for now. Well, folks, there's my driveway. All finished up. Well, folks, I finished my driveway out here. As you can see behind me, it's all shoveled out. So it took a little time. It's wet, heavy stuff. So my back is killing me. Doesn't help when you break your back a couple times in your past. You definitely do feel it. But I'm all done. Still snowing, but I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a really light snow. I'll probably let that stuff melt this week. Well,